What's good, y'all? It's your boy Evie Dior. Ski would be my first YouTube video. Well, not my first YouTube video, but my first YouTube video on this new channel, which this is going to be more focused on my brand, 1 Billion. I'm a co-owner alongside my brother, Cal 1B. So this brand just represents us, our lives. We try to still tell stories with all the pieces that we produce. We've been getting a lot of love lately, so we just trying to keep going. About to give y'all some more behind the scenes looks on shoots, setting off orders, designing, when we be attending events, and just the whole nine. Let y'all see how we rock it, you feel me? So shout out to all the supporters, shout out to everybody who supports 1B. Shout out to everybody who caught the polo, a two-tone tee, a baby tee. The baby tee's been going crazy, I ain't gonna lie. The ladies really be showing love, man. Shout out to the ladies. And, today I gotta send out some orders, package a few orders. We gotta do this campaign shoot with Cal 1B for these thermals that we about to drop on my birthday, January 15th. Make sure y'all go get that. I don't know, we're gonna see where the day takes us. About to just, give y'all a little behind the scenes look, let y'all see what's going on. Right now I'm in my office. I'm in my office right now at the crib office, man. You don't really need too much to get started. Just start, bro. Whatever you try to do, whether it's clothing, music, be a doctor, I don't know, bro. Whatever it is that you can do, start doing that. And you will attract the rest of the things that you need. Show y'all me packaging up some orders. About to ship them out today. We've been snowed in lately, so ain't even really get to send the orders out. But we back active on this Monday. Grateful to be alive. Appreciative just for the opportunity to work, man. I've been in that mode. I'm kind of scruffy right now. I'm about to go get right for my birthday, but let's get it, man. I know I sound mad congested, colds on my ass. Feel me? It's mad cold here, bro. I'm from Miami. I do not like the cold weather. I am not fond of it. My body's not fond of it, but we thugging regardless. Ain't no complaints, but if I sound a little nasally, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just give me a pass, man. Y'all just let me rock, man. Here we got a box full of thermals. We got the thermals here, the Jamaica tees. About to drop on Wednesday. Couple two-toes. Couple polos for the restock. I know y'all been asking for those. They back on the way. Don't worry. They are on the way. Feel me? They are on the way. We got polos. You know what I'm saying? Some polos in stock. Y'all been going crazy over this pink one, though. Y'all been asking about this pink one. We gonna restock. Don't worry. We gonna restock. You never need too much. Do what you can. Don't worry about what you don't have. Focus on what you got. God gave you everything you need, bro. I promise. And if you don't have it yet, that just means you don't need it yet. Literally. That's literally what it means. It just means you don't need it yet, bro. Trust the process, bro. Trust the work. Trust that he's gonna get it done for you. About to package a few orders. I think I got pink and red polo to send out, a blue polo to send out, and a couple two-toes. So let's get to it, man. Day in the life, Ski 1 Billion, Ski 1B. Y'all tap in on the 1B Instagram. It is linked on my channel, but it's at __1 billion. Been going crazy the last couple days. They gained like 400 or 500 followers in the last 2 days. So the brand's getting out there, man. I'm just thankful. I'm appreciative. Shout out to everybody who's supporting. We're gonna keep going. So got our stickers right here. Put off that blue 1BT, man. Shout out to Colin, shopping with the guys. Last small blue navy, the last one. Sold out. Come here. Dino say, what's going? Dino, sit. Good boy. Good boy, excited for some orders to go out today, man. Made some Baharas over feet. Yes, Sirski. We'll get this out the collar. Shout out to you, twin. Appreciate it, don't get. Another tip, bro. If you start a brand, focus on the women. The women spend way more money than the guys. If that's what your goal is to make money. Because I think if you're making women happy and you're making money, what else could you possibly want? That's a glitch right there. I just gave you free sauce. Got my poly mailer for small orders. Take our label, slap that on the order. Just like that. Oh. So when you have your Shopify store, they give you the option to make prepaid labels. You just pay for the label right online. It actually comes out cheaper. Go and drop this off to the post office. You could just put it in the little, they got like a box in the front. But me, I like to bring it to the teller just so I can print my own receipt and get the tracking as well. But yeah, one order packaged up, ready to go out. Now we do the second order. Second order, we got a two-tone, red two-tone tee. Y'all slept on these. I feel like y'all slept on these because it's not like a conventional shirt. Got that baseball tee feel. You know what I'm saying? Comes down like right here with the crop. Y'all slept on these, bro. Don't sleep. This fashion forward. Throw 2 stickers in here. Package that up. Package that up, bam. Take our label, feel me? Got our label. And we print that, bro. We put that right on the front, bam. Yeah. I'm saying, good Monday, 2 orders right now. Got a couple more plays that I gotta pull up on personally in the city. Actually gotta pull up on my boy Kobe. He been bugging me for this polo, man. Y'all know this polo sold out, but I bought like 8 of them for myself because I already know what this gonna do. But I'm gonna fuck with my dog Kobe and sell him one today. We're gonna ship these orders out and let's see what the day brings us, man. Out here, about to get me a quick pump in with my dog, the method. The one and only Cowboy Beezer.
You know what I'm saying, man? Good 1 billion cap on me. About to get a good pump in my shit, man. Salute all the hard workers, man. If you ain't getting the gym today, you're fried. If you ain't caught 1 billion, you're fried. I know y'all seen us going up 1100. We just talking about 800 followers, but now we at 1100.
In the span of a couple days, came back. Nigga, we done gained like 400-500. I told y'all earlier, we done gained like 400-500 in the last couple days, man. But you know what I'm saying? Always on me. Gym bag on me. I ain't gonna lie, for like a year, 2 years, I've been looking for a cameraman too. Finally, I just said, nigga, fuck it. I'm filming my own shit. You niggas be tripping. But you feel me? I got good Supreme garments. You know what I'm saying? Good Preem. You know what I'm saying? Good brands on me. Shit on, man. And I had to get my hair twisted because shit started getting in my face, shit started getting annoying. I came back.
Yeah, man, I got all my garments on me, man. Got my towel on me. Kind of brick out here. Nonetheless, we get the work in, man. Get good cream on the bag. Good Nike runners on me. You don't got these. Y'all do your homework on these. Good 1 billion drop on Wednesday, man.
Oh yeah, good 1 billion drop Wednesday, January 15th. My birthday, the king, the one and only, King Capricorn. Y'all know I bubble up on Threads. Go do your homework on Threads. I'm an astrologer. You know what I'm saying? Threads, I do astrology. Can't let them see the glitch. I can't let y'all see my glitch, but I just hit the LA Fitness Unlimited glitch. Walking in a bit, you feel what I'm saying? Off my face with the geysers.
Good unlimited glitch, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Glitches, man. Haven't met this dude.
Yeah, we haven't met this niggas. You should have signed 1B. You get garments and methods. No BAP. You get good garments, good methods.
Should have signed 1 billion, man. Should have signed 1 billion, dude.
Let's get it though, man. Good work, time to work, quick little work. Get this work in, y'all. Change right quick. Gotta take off my super suit. Get in my gym gear.
Where is my super suit? Yeah. That's the word, y'all. Calvin B's route today, man. Good gym route. Finna show y'all what we do in the gym. The 1B way, man. Ski with me. I'm tap in with your boy.
Just warmed up on the bike. About to get some good work in with the boy Calv, man. Always the guys on me, even when I work out. Money to be made, y'all tap in. Shout out my dog, boy, the real one. Always the guys on me. Every time. Don't ever gotta question it. Only the guys I rock, man. Shout with the guys. You know how we do. Warming up.
Get the hips loose, man.
You know what I'm saying? 1B workout circuit, man. That's what we do. We wake up, we pack orders, we hit gym, we ship some shit out, we get flea, and we do it all over again, man. Consistency and repetition, dedication. That's gonna get you to where you wanna be. Okay, consistency, repetition, discipline. Simple.
So y'all boys come step into my world, man. Gonna find us a good pull-up bar and get sturdy, man. Right, we're here with it, man. We doing pull-ups, push-ups, squats, everything body weight. Every now and then we may touch a weight, but for the most part, we don't touch the weights, man. And straight Mike Tyson push-ups. If you know something about Mike Tyson push-ups, you know something. But y'all gonna see today, man. Yeah, we got the string headphones in. We're gonna go push-ups first. We're gonna go 10 push-ups, pull-ups till failure, 20 squats, 5 Mike Tysons. I'm gonna walk y'all through that, man.
I know what's going on. You're running through my head. You're gripping like the criminal. I know what's going on. Yeah,
And that's 13. Now we're gonna go 20 squats, man. Straight body weight.
I'm toxic, you love it, one more say, let's fuss it, them other girls ain't nothing, my baby.
It's 20. I think that was 19. We do one more. That's 20. Now we got 5 Mike Tysons. I know I said 5, but I think we need to do 10. We're going 10 Mike Tysons. That's set 1. If you could do more, add more numbers. Try this at home, let me know what y'all saying. Straight body weight. When it gets shredded like cowboy beef, worry that one, man. Yeah, man, we on here, we got Ski about to hit the circuit, man.
Well, let's get it, man. All straight dog work, nigga. It's money to be made. Let's get it.
I just had a baddie come retwist my dress.
Push-ups, man. Y'all see it, good work, good dog work.
You know, I go these pull-ups because shit be hurting my shoulder. I can't cap, you feel me?
Yeah.
You just gotta do whichever pull-ups you can. Just get up there.
Just get the work in, man. Just get the work in.
My ass bitch a groupie, so that shit is dead. This drip from the homie, so I'm fresh to death. My bitch bad, and she go.
Capped out at 11, man. Ain't been in here in a minute, but we keep going.
Gotta keep
20
going.
squats.
20 squats, man. 20. 20.
Her middle split. I shot with the guys. 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 Baby girl, you fine, but is you down the right? I'm geeked on my mind, so please don't kill my vibe.
Good dog work, man. Good dog work. Ski. I'm pushing ski. So I never got that lot to it. So yeah, it's that real dog work, man. Good Mike Tysons.
Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe. Please don't kill my vibe.
Good form, man.
First set, man.
First
Come
set.
on.
Let's go.
Just got that work in. It's nothing but a little bit of work. Quick pump. Feel what I'm saying? Now, gotta go drop these orders off. Pull up on a couple plays. Some people need some shirts. My boy Kobe need a shirt. Actually, he copied 2 shirts, man. Shout out Kobe, man. Y'all go tap in with that boy. Yeah, man, let's get it. Running my route every day, man. Run my route every day. No complaints. Some days sell 10, 20 shirts. Some days sell 0. Some days sell 1. Some days sell 2. Either which way, I'm showing up. Either which way, we there. I mean, that's all it is, man. I had a trainer one time. He used to tell me, man, the best ability is availability. You can't do shit if you're not available. Whether it's sports, clothes, anything you do in that life, man, you gotta make sure you stay available, man. Gotta make sure you stay available, brother, at all times. No matter what it is, bro, stay available. Keep your spirits up, man. No matter how it goes, just show up, bro. And be grateful for the opportunity to show up. Some people ain't wake up this morning. So you woke up, that means you winning. You woke up, that means you winning, my brother. Just pulled up, perimeter, man. Had to meet my boy Kobe. That boy said he getting him some, you know what I'm saying, some good 1 billion. That boy getting him some shit that's sold out right now. That boy lucky I fuck with him. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you ain't never been here?
Hell nah, this the hood, ain't it?
No, this shit straight.
So it's the actual mall.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pay attention.
Alright, that's straight.
I'm gonna go in that bitch just cause I ain't never been in.
That shit smooth. It ain't gonna have nothing crazy. You feel me? It's like a normalized mall.
Y'all need one of these.
I'm saying when we vlogging, got my boy on here.
Hey, one of the hottest brands I done seen, bro. Real talk.
You know
One of the hottest brands I done seen. But hell yeah, somebody had stole that bitch, bro. Cause remember y'all had gave me and my partner.
Just got the shirts to my boy Kobe, man. Forgot to show y'all going to the post office, but y'all can see we at the post office. Just got them orders out. 2 orders, well, 4 orders on the day. 2 in person. 2 in person, 2 had to be mailed out. You know what I'm saying? 4 orders for the day, man. I'm fine with that. We're thankful for every play. No matter what you do, bro. No matter if you got 1 million orders, 1 order. You gotta stay available. Remember, man, stay available, brother. Stay available. Stay encouraged, my nigga. Don't let nothing weigh you down, my nigga. Keep going. Keep going, gang. You never know. Today could be the day you win. Can't afford to take a day off, nigga. I might win today. So shit.